Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card packs. First, gather your essential materials like quality cardstock, a reliable printer, and precise cutting tools. Next, carefully plan your card designs, ensuring they align with your chosen theme. Think about the desired size for your cards, perhaps 5 by 3, 5 inches, and how many cards will be in each pack. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth creation process. Now it's time to bring your designs to life. Utilize graphic design software to craft unique artwork and text for each card. When printing, use cardstock that is at least 100 pounds for durability, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. After printing, carefully cut each card to its exact dimensions, perhaps 5 by 3, 5 inches, using a paper cutter for clean, straight edges. Precision here makes a big difference. With your cards printed and cut, the next step is assembly. Carefully sort your cards into their designated packs, ensuring all components are present. To protect your creations, consider placing each pack into a clear plastic sleeve or a custom-designed box. Finally, seal your card packs securely, perhaps with a shrink wrap or a decorative band, to keep them pristine and ready for their new owners. Before sharing your card packs, perform a thorough quality check on each one, ensuring consistency in design and presentation. Think about how you'll distribute them, whether through an online store, local markets, or direct sales. Consider pricing your packs competitively, perhaps around $15, $0 to $25, $0 depending on complexity. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This final stage is where your hard work pays off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.